Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Dominique LaShae. For those who don't know me, and I know y'all looking at me like, girl, her hair is on point, period. Shout out to AliGrace hair for sponsoring this video. This is your 24-inch, I said 24-inch curly hair headband wig. Yes, I said headband wig. We don't do the lace. This what, 2023? We don't do the glue. This what, 2023? We don't do none of it. The hair dry, the blow drying and hair sticking to you and the lace itching you. We ain't doing none of it. So if y'all want to get this look, stay tuned. Keep watching this video. But y'all already know how we do it in my videos. We don't do none of that talking. We don't do all the extra stuff. We just jump right into the video. So let's get it. Okay y'all, so now that I got the foundation done, let me take my glasses off. I did my edges. As you see, I got the foundation done. So we're gonna take our headband wig, which is from AliGrace, and again, shout out to them for sponsoring this video. And the wig came with, let's see, this AliGrace edge band, a pamphlet that basically shows you how to take care of your hair and all that, and I'll show y'all what's on the inside, step by step, how to wash it, their Instagram, Facebook, go follow them. Shout out to them again. A pretty headband to cover up the band, a good old bonnet that has elastic strap. Yes, get into it. Then let's get into the part. Let's get into the hair. 24-inch curly hair. Yes, 24-inch curly. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. With the headband wig, you have, of course, your headband right here. The headband. Then you have, let me show y'all the count. 1 count, 2, 3, and then 1 from the back to secure it. So with the only thing they danced in was a wig cap, and I wish they would've. Let me see if I got one. Okay, yeah, so I had one laying around, so we just gonna put this wig cap on. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby. So this is very easy, y'all. So you just gonna, this some nice hair. You just taking the comb, well, not, you taking the wig, securing it, put the back comb in, and then you gonna take your middle comb, secure that in. You're gonna secure the other one. Then as far as the band go, you're just gonna put it as tight as you want it. I need my glasses on because I can't really see. Oh, and put this as tight as you want it. I like this. I'm gonna fix her up a little bit. Let me get a little water, little 1, 2. Baby, this look like it's at my scalp. Quit playing. Quit playing. This is like it's at the scalp. So I'm taking the Lux Locks. You can just take some water and do this, but baby, these curls is juicy. Stop playing with them. And we ain't gotta tell nobody. Take some water. Baby, this some good old hair. I ain't gonna lie. Still wet and wavy. Stop playing with you, girl. This is definitely giving. So, my phone is just going off. We're gonna style her up a little bit. You can wear it like this if you want to, but of course y'all already know me. I guess to go in with a headband. And it come, girl, why am I sliding? So you can Oh, stop playing with your girl. And I want to go with like a little top knot. So this is what we gonna do. I'm going for the messy look. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Oh, baby. Stop playing with her. Oh, stop playing. Y'all can't see me. Baby, this is like my hair. Who said this ain't my hair? Whoever said that is a straight hater. This is what we give. Do y'all like her? So, like I said, you can really do anything with this wig. You can treat it like it's a wig, your hair, however. What? Baby, this is my hair. Stop playing with me. And then if you want to go for a more messy look, don't get the fine in this wig, because baby, they snatching your whole wig off. It is not glued to your head. So don't get the fine in the wig, because you gonna look like a fool. You can get her a little tutu at the top. Little 1-2, you know. Bun effect going on. Spin her around. And we ain't gotta tell nobody. Baby, I like this. So this is another look you can go for. Y'all, I can go on and on and on. Okay, y'all. So I wanted to show y'all. This is like with water on it. So if you don't touch it and let it dry, it's gonna give you like that wet, that deep wave effect, that deep wave curly hair effect. And I must say, I really like it like this. I really like it like this. But you can switch the headbands up. Say for instance, like this is more of a chill headband. Say for instance, you going on a date or whatever, you can just, you know, throw different headbands up there. Stop playing. Again, shout out to AliGrace Hair for sponsoring this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we out of here. Period.